Lift it up and you're gonna drop it right back down. And you have a seamless, clean finish on this unit. I'm feeling myself with this one. I feel like this is fall down. Curly red hair for the fall. Alright y'all, so we are back today with another talk through video. So shout out to Juliahair company for sending me this very pretty reddish brown jerry curl unit. Now as you guys can see, the color in this unit is very pretty. I have not done a curly style unit like this in a long time, but I was super excited. Now this unit is a complete unit, guys, so not only does it come pre-bleached, it also comes pre-plucked. So this unit is already ready to go, guys. The baby hairs are actually already formulated on this unit as well too, so you can either pull these baby hairs back or just leave them the way they are. Once I plop the unit on my head, you guys will kind of see what it looks like. Now with this unit, I did not wash this unit, guys, but I did go ahead and run some water through and put some product in it. So I did go ahead and use my African Pride a leave-in conditioner cream for this unit, and also some of the olive oil mousse. I just kept it very simple. I wet the hair and I just put some product in it. So I did not co-wash this hair. I didn't do anything to it. Now this is a pre-cut lace, guys. The closure size on this one is very large. It's the perfect amount of closure space and lace space. So if you want to go ahead and wear this in the side part, you can, but I opted to show you guys this unit in the middle part today. Like I said, this install is very simple, guys. No glue, no sprays, nothing. We're simply just going to put some powder on the back of this unit and install it straight on camera today. Now, like I said, because I did go ahead and put product in this unit, I let it air dry out, and this is just the natural state of the curls, guys. So this is what you're gonna get when you actually, you know, wear this unit straight out the pack. It's very simple, guys. It's straight to the point. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the color is very pretty. Usually I like a little bit of root space in there just to give it like a little bit more of a realistic effect, like a little bit of a dark root. But with this unit, you don't need it, guys. So let me go ahead and plop this unit off and pop this on so I can show you guys exactly what I mean. Alright, guys, so I adjusted the strap on the back of this unit, guys. So I'm just plopping it on my head to show you guys what it looks like. So as you guys can see, you get a nice bit of baby hair sticking out in the front right here. I feel like the little baby hair swiggles is kind of the look when it comes to curly hair, and especially on these closure units. But you guys can see the hair is absolutely stunning as far as the color is. Now I usually don't adjust the combs right here, but I'm just going to adjust them right now just to make sure that the wig stays pretty flat down. I did go ahead and adjust the adjustable strap in the back. The adjustable straps on these pre-cut units are perfect. When I talk about security on a unit, like the unit is super secure, you can go ahead and put your comb in the back up too as well, just to make sure it's even better. With the baby hairs, they are a little bit on the exaggerated side, but I'm just going to spray them down. I definitely feel like this needs a little bit of powder in the parting space just to kind of overall give you guys a real effect. But I'm going to bring all the hair up to the front so you guys can see the curl pattern on this one. This is supposed to be jerry curl. It is absolutely stunning, guys. Look at this beautiful curl pattern on this hair. Very pretty. Like, look at, guys, literally just put it on my head. Plopped it on my head and we're almost pretty much ready to go. Honestly, if you wanted to, you could step out like that. You guys can see the lace in the front. The lace is pre-plucked and also bleached. They did a really good job on the bleaching on this unit, guys. I don't even have to go over this one at all again. I think they did an excellent job on the bleach. I just, like I said, need to add some powder to it just to kind of really seal it off and just, you know, maybe kind of pull some of these baby hairs a little bit further to the side there, because I feel like they're just too obvious out in the front right here, if you know what I mean. So let me go ahead and grab my powder, but starting off, it's looking really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of powder so I can give this parting space a little bit more lavy, just because I feel like it has absolutely no life. You guys can see already. Just a little powder on here just to kind of bring the parting space, you know, together a little bit so you see a little bit something. I usually do it on the inner side, but you don't really have to. You could do it on the outside of the cap as well too. And this literally is just to kind of get it to match a little bit, even though they did go ahead and bleach the knots on here. If you spray these units down, you'll probably get like better meltdown. But I'm trying to show you guys that you don't really have to do that. And the purpose of these units, you literally could just add some powder on it and keep it pushing, because it's that type of unit. Let me make sure I get this right. Just to kind of blend things in. You guys see I'm trying to blend the edges in with my brush just to make sure everything looks seamless. What I'm gonna do right now, guys, is make sure I have this area pretty cleaned off. So I'm gonna go ahead and smooth some of that wax stick into the hair so that the hair doesn't have too many flyaways and that the hair looks, ooh, what's going on there? So that the hair has like some type of unity, especially on the top areas. So I'm just gonna make sure everything is nice and seamless on the top area so you guys can see how nice and pretty this unit is. So I'm gonna go in now with my Even Wonder Lace spray, and I'm gonna spray a little bit of this on the brush part of the baby hair thing. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of mold this baby hair a little bit higher up, just because it is long, but I don't want to cut it because I suck at cutting it, which is also a good thing that the company already does it for you, so you don't have to. If you want to trim it down a little bit, you can, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do that just to get it, you know, positioned. And I'm gonna spray above right here as well too, just so that this stays nice and falls perfectly into that slot right there. You guys can see, just like that. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. You're just trying to get the baby hairs to like chill out a little, you know, not be too aggressive. Like they could tend to be like a little bit on the aggressive side, so I'm trying to minimize that aggressive look of the baby hair. So that's what we're doing right now. So you just want to get it to be nice and cute like that. And yeah, so I'm not gonna spray that part up, but you guys can see like the unit looks very, very seamless. And like I said, if you don't want to do the baby hairs like that, guys, you can go ahead and brush the baby hair back up into the wig. But for the most part, this one looks very pretty, guys. Very realistic, very seamless. Like I said, go ahead and use your powder around that little perimeter part so that you can see. Look at that. Like, look at that. So this is a finished look, guys. Very simple and straight to the point in today's hair video. You guys already know the deal. I felt like I had to go and add like a little bit of an eyeliner on the bottom, blue eyeliner, and put a blue shirt on just because I feel like this type of reddish brown color definitely goes really nice with the royal blue. So I kind of give you guys a finished look, a finished style. This is how I'd wear this hair, guys. Straight middle part. Kind of fluff off the curls in certain areas. You guys can see how nice, full, and pretty it is. Now the baby hairs, you guys already know what to do. If you're not interested in the baby hairs, go ahead and pull them back into the lace. Either way, it's still gonna look like a really, really nice unit, guys. You guys can tell, very simple and straight to the point. So if you don't know what to do, literally take this wig out the pack and put it on. Add some product to it, let it air dry. Just keep it pushing on your day, let it air dry while you're outside. That's another thing I love about this unit. Even if I want to go ahead and install this one and the curls aren't freshened, all I have to do is wet it, add some product into it, and then just go about my day. The hair literally air dry as you go, and you'll see how big, bouncy, and fluffy it is. This unit is 24 inches long, guys, and I feel like the length is true to length. Remember that when you get like a 24 inch and it's curly, it definitely shrinks up a little bit, but you guys can see the full look of this hair. Very, very gorgeous. Like, look at that. And I love, like I said, how the baby hairs, they're right in position. They actually went, like I said, bleached this unit up and tweezed it. So do you guys see that? Like, they did the works on this one. I like to call this the complete unit, the works. So they put the works on this unit. You do not have to bleach it. Add a little bit of powder for taste. And that is that with this unit. I do feel like I would go in and cut like a light layer in the front right here to give me some like framing right here. I think that will look really nice. Usually I'll like, you know, I usually kind of sell these units, but I feel like this is a unit I'll keep. This is a perfect fall style unit. The color is gonna go perfect for the autumn and fall transition, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this one. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like per usual. Yeah, Juliahair did this one, guys. It is super glueless, so let me go ahead and lift it for you guys so I can show you guys. You can lift this unit up and put this unit right back down, and you got a nice seamless glueless unit. So let me do it up close for you guys again. You're gonna lift it up and you're gonna drop it right back down, and you have a seamless, clean finish on this unit. Can't tell me nothing type of unit. Look at that. Just, guys, it's just giving ooh la la. Very simple closure wig or wig wear. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. Like I said, you guys see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. And the color is very complimenting, guys. I feel like this color is like the perfect like in between brown and red mix, but it gives this perfect tone. And you guys can see the blue shirt actually accentuates the color, so you guys can see it a little bit more on camera. And yeah, I'm kind of feeling myself with this one. I feel like this is fall down. Curly red hair for the fall. So per usual, guys, I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you want to purchase this unit from Juliahair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.